Monza, Italy. Time for the 5th round of the World Superbike Championship. A stunning crowd of 115,000 turned up for a weekend of action to get close to their idols and have a look behind the scenes where BMW's mechanics carry out final adjustments with the race bike. But now it's time to focus. Last instructions, warm up of the engines. Total concentration on the upcoming challenge. Stress for the crew and the driver. Can BMW's drivers perform well? Will the precise preparation bring results? Nervousness and uncertainty in the pit and on the BMW fan stand. Encouragement and support, and finally joy. Because BMW Motorrad Motorsport driver Ruben Xaus finishes in 6th position, a great first success for the BMW team in Monza. And this is not the end. The second race thrills BMW's crew even more. Can Troy Corser really make it to the podium? The team's reaction doesn't leave a doubt. A great 3rd place comes as the result of the whole team's hard work and outstanding driving performance. The success means the first podium for BMW in World Superbike racing, in only the 2nd season of full-on competition for the production-based S1000RR. And for sure, Troy Corser has whet BMW's appetite for more.